Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nasrani binti Ibrahim. Today, I will introduce about our company system. For the Employees Performance Management System (EPM), our project name is WorkPro. The necessary information, including complete on-the-job tasks, performance metric that have been worked on, and other relevant information that will be used. Customer may use this WorkPro to review and rate the company staff. For this system, our team consists of 5 experts and staff who are capable of creating an employee performance management system. Our team leader is HRIS expert. The task of the team leader is to assume full-time responsibility for the project and report to the HR department regarding any changes, error, or improvement to the system. The HRIS specialist task is to gathering data, analyzing it to enhance the HR strategies and process, and to make recommendation on how to boost HR department functional productivity and workflow. System analyst will be in charge of determining the HRIS requirement through consultation with HR managers and representatives from other departments. The database administrator is responsible for helping HRIS user with technical issue and providing direction. Hardware expert in charge in project regulation, quality control, tool evaluation, tool upgrade, and hardware and software. Next is a database. Conducting business with employee database is a crucial tool. Following is the database that needed by our system. There consists of 3, which is employee record, employee background, performance review and evaluation. Employee background, a record that identify and relate to the live person, is frequently which known as personal information. Next, for the employee record. Employee record is a formal record which consists of pertaining of details employee employment. Performance review and evaluation. There may be a number of people competing with the same position, but by evaluating the performance, the employer can choose the one who has the best professional preparation.
Hi, I am Nur Hidayah binti Zulkifli. Metric number is 277629. I will continue our presentation that is functionally of the system. First, we have goal setting, report and analytics, self-assessment, feedback and coaching, and the last one is attendance tracker. So I will explain one by one for the functionality of this system. So first, goal setting is essential to maintaining the performance of the company. Setting goals has been proven to help engage and motivate workers. Achievable goals boost employee confidence, provide little success, and support business in achieving their goals. Employees, supervisors, or HR may establish goals, track their progress, and receive updates on goal status by using goal setting. Next, report and analytics. Employer productivity and operational performance will be indirectly helped by reports and analytics, but in a different way. While reports make clear what is going, analytics help identify why something is happening. It helps create strategy to improve employee happiness, behavior, potential, and other important performance metrics, and provides priceless trend analysis. Third is feedback and coaching. First, we have 360-degree feedback. Each employee gets the chance to obtain performance assessment from a manager or supervisor, subordinate employees, and customer using the 360-degree feedback system. This is so that input from all levels of the organization may gather using this approach. Second is coaching. Using this technology, we could simplify the coaching process. For instance, those in charge of an organization success, such as manager, must understand how to foster cooperation. Important soft skills such as those needed for goal setting, delegation, accountability, successful performance review, and even coaching itself might be lacking in supervisor and manager. Next, self-assessment. This self-evaluation form may be used by a manager in conjunction with a fully completed template for an annual performance review. The goal is to gain a deeper, more accurate knowledge of the employee's abilities, conduct, and level of production. With the help of this employee assessment software, the HR manager may automate performance review process, include goals, and evaluate competencies. Last but not least is attendance tracker. The function for tracking employee attendance is used to keep track of attendance. Business may monitor how frequently employees show up late, leave early, or work overtime. The company can also obtain comprehensive integrated data. This technology helps a company correctly capture employee information. That's all from me. I will pass to my team member to continue their part. Thank you.
Thank you, Hidayah. Assalamualaikum, Doctor. My name is Nur Izzati. I will present the type of user, level of accessibility, and type of report in this system. Those who can use the system include employees, HR professional, manager, and customer. Employees, the use of performance management software can help the staff understand what is expected of them. Employees will also receive performance report from HR manager in this place. Employees may connect with management about comment and rating and track their progress via assignment and abilities. Next is HR professional. WorkPro is a performance review tool that assists HR professional in writing accurate report based on employees' responses. Using this application, HR professional may evaluate the employees' work and general team spirit as well as organize the evaluation. Using this tool, HR can better understand the attitude and motivation of its workforce as well as assign duties. In other words, this software is ideal for HR professional in business. Next is manager or supervisor. Manager or supervisor may use the system to keep track of employees' objective and performance compensation. Manager and employer can evaluate the general performance of their workforce using performance management software. This system is designed to aid manager in product seek, precise job description and expectation, setting goals. They are in accordance with of the organization, recording performance and producing assessment. The performance evaluation software also make it simple to keep track, record and monitor each person and department goals. Last but not least is customer or client. Customer or client may also use the WorkPro to review and rate the company staff. This software is the application that is used for managing customer feedback. The company may significantly enhance the customer experience with the help of this WorkPro system. Next, I will explain a type of report. There are 4 types of report. The first one is staff performance report. It displays how much time each employer spent working on the duties that have been given to them. During the employer assessment process, employer can use this information as extra proof to determine whether or not a person utilized their working time productively. Secondly, time balance and overtime report. It shows the amount of overtime the staff put in. Employer can determine which employees are willing to put in extra effort at work in order to produce higher quality product and whether doing so is even worthwhile by analyzing this data in relation to particular productivity output. Next, leave time and balance report. Data on employer absence and vacation time are visualized. With the use of this information, prospective attendance problem can be identified early on and remedial action can be taken before things worsen. Last, estimate versus actual time report. It makes it impossible to compare the estimation to the real amount of time worker put into their work. By doing this, employer can immediately determine whether there are any substantial difference and their causes. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Izzati. Now I will move on to the next part, which is the integration of our system with internal or external system. First, our systems integrate with training system. The workflow software is completely included in the system for training and development. This is due to the fact that with the assistance of the performance management system, it is possible to overcome the challenges that stand in the way of learning and growth. It makes it much simpler to identify the present skill levels of the staff, and it stimulates additional education of any topic. WorkPro also integrate with remuneration and reward system. Every pay cycle, the task of processing the payroll is difficult and time consuming. Therefore, our system is designed to work with the payroll systems so that users can streamline the procedure, save time, and lower the chance of error. Talking about strength of our system firstly can help with identifying the right employees for promotion. The WorkPro software will be used to conduct performance reviews. So as the result, managers are able to more accurately assess employees for promotion, compensation raise, or transfer in a manner that is both consistent and uniform. Second, with the help of WorkPro, business are able to provide their workers with objective and track their development as they work towards achieving those objectives. Therefore, we are able to claim that WorkPro software system as a goal tracking software where managers are able to create objectives for their teams and prioritize those goals based on the skills of their workforce. Lastly, WorkPro has the potential to boost staff retention. There is less employee turnover for business that provide frequent feedback to workers, and at the same time, supervisors are updated on the status of their team and made aware of any problems that may arise. I think that's pretty much from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Nakibah. Hi, Assalamualaikum, Doctor. My name is Fadli Marlisa. Now I will explain about the limitation and legal issue of WorkPro software. About the limitation of this system, it might be some kind of technical issue like getting an error after the software is launched. This is because WorkPro will be used by a large number of users, especially employees and employer at the company. But do not worry too much because WorkPro software will be maintained regularly. Hence, it will function without any glitch, error, bug, and others. Next, because it is a private network that only authorized user can access, this WorkPro software will be restricted to company employees only. WorkPro will enable to corporate employees. It comprises corporate and personal data, and only user can access to their own data. This is to protect data from hackers. So, we move to the last station, which is about the legal issue of the WorkPro software. There are three types of legal issue like defamation, discrimination, and negligence. First started, one of the reasons for having this system is defamation. This is because an employee is charged on things that have nothing to do with their job and doesn't matter. Second, this software like WorkPro could lead to discrimination. The rater will give points based on race, nationality, skin colors, or ethnicity. Lastly, the negligence issues it is related to unfairly evaluating performance, like when the employee rush to finish the task, speak to other employee while finish a task, so that the rater will defend the others on the other performance. Okay, I think it's enough from me. We hope Doctor enjoy and happy about our group project. That's all from us, and thank you, Doctor, for your time. Assalamualaikum.